guys, here we go. Haven't been able to make a video for a while because the weather has been shit. So anyway, tonight we are going to our favourite Thai restaurant. So I thought just to get a little bit of video, make something, I would just start this tonight. So we're in prep mode at the moment, so just getting some beers to head there. Here's the fridge, and just get a couple of these little babies. Put them in the esky, and I'll see you at the restaurant. Deb, designated driver tonight, thankfully.
Very reluctantly.
Very reluctantly. But we are just using the internal mics on the Pocket 3, so nothing extra. So just be interesting to see how this turns out. Anyway, beautiful evening here in Gosford. So let's get to the restaurant and get some yummy Thai food.